What's good, beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Ayo, and if you're returning, thanks for always coming back. And this is a big shout out to 400 subscribers. You guys are the best. You're the bomb. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the subscribe button below. It just takes up to like 2 seconds to just hit the subscribe button. So right about now, I'm sure you're aware of what this video is going to be about. We're about to take pictures because really, as far as we need the most time, we definitely have to make use of our time. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to take pictures at home. So you might be wondering what's with this shirt I'm wearing, because it's so big. But yeah, that's the vibe. I'm going for this really big baggy vibe, and this shirt is like thrifted. So we're about to take pictures, and let's get right into the video. Oh my god. When you've successfully gotten a suitable background to take your pictures, you make sure it's clear and you like it. Then adjust the tripod and fix your phone. So it was difficult for me to film this video because I use my phone to film for YouTube and also use it to take pictures, but I use this phone just for an example so you can understand. So you adjust your tripod to the position you'd like it, and then move it away if it's too close to the background. Sorry about the broom at the background, because what the heck. So then you start posing, set your timer on your phone. In case you don't have Bluetooth like me, I don't have those Bluetooth shutter remote thingy that's people use. So you check and confirm if you like what you see. You like what you see. You like what you see. Take a minute to appreciate this beauty, because I could never stand there. I started taking selfies, but that's not the aim of this video. My logo. No, see AYD YouTuber now. This is a lot for one person. Where are the model agencies? Come and see talent. Don't let this talent waste away, because what is this beauty? What is this beauty? So you make sure you adjust the timer again, you pose. This is free poses I'm giving you. This is 2-in-1. How to take your pictures and how to pose, because what is this, girl? Please appreciate to the comment section. I'm waiting for you. Hype me up, because this is too much for one person. This is too much for one person. You would agree with me. Yeah. So you do all of that and continue till you are satisfied. See, I was so happy because I was like, yeah, gege, bese, oh, I look like awful bounder, but yes, that's all. That's it. Give them gege, Oh my god. I hope this video is helpful though, because this is me teaching you. So yes, don't say I did not do anything for you. Start taking your pictures by yourself. Start taking them at home and enjoy. So guys, I hope you understand how to take our pictures at home. I hope you guys like my outfits, because I'm on barefoot. That's like the fun part about taking your pictures at home, because you're not shy. You can do anything you want to do. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.